welcome to KittiesMama. I'm Emma.
I'm Jonah.
And today we're going to be doing the DC Kids Secret Box Challenge. And we'd like to thank Warner Bros. For sponsoring this video.
Also, if you're new to this channel, be sure to subscribe and hit that bell so you can be notified whenever we upload. The way this challenge works is that we have to open this secret box. We have to make a video with the toys that are inside of it.
And we are competing with other YouTubers, and the way you can vote for us is by clicking the link in the description and commenting on the video.
Whoever gets the most comments on their video wins.
Alright, so let's open up this box.
We have a note. Emma, read it.
Hey KittiesMama, congrats on taking the DC Kids Secret Box Challenge. In honor of DC Kids Superhero Month, your mission is to make an awesome video showing your favorite thing about DC superheroes using all of the toys in this box. Have fun and be sure to make the coolest video you can so everyone votes for yours as their favorite. Good luck, Jerome.
Thanks, Jerome.
Alright, so let's open up this box.
Okay, we got a... Wait, you can do that one.
This is a gymnastics Wonder Woman doll.
We got a Batgirl blaster. Next item, we got this little bag full of things, I think. Oh, it's batteries. This has batteries in it.
This is Wonder Woman Hero Wear.
Now we have a Teen Titans Go Starfire plushie, Justice League balloons.
This is a Batman voice-changing tactical helmet.
Activate tactical scan.
Batman. Woo! Yeah. Thanks, Jerome. Now we have a Batgirl gymnastics doll.
This is a Wonder Woman shield.
I want that. Paper. Oh, and a Teen Titans Go Robin plushie. And that is it. Now we have to make a video, including
all of these items.
I want to be Wonder Woman.
I'll be Batman.
Okay, good.
I need the Batgirl blaster for that.
I need this shield and this, and we're gonna save plushies.
All right, so roll the clip.
right.
So we hope you enjoyed that cinematic masterpiece we just made.
We should get an Emmy, a Grammy, all the awards. We should get all of them.
Make sure you click the link in the description and comment on our video to vote for us.
Also, tell me if I'm a beautiful Wonder Woman.
Here it is. So thank you for watching. Please comment, share, subscribe, thumbs up, follow us on Twitter, and see you later, alligator.
Peace out, YouTube.
Click these rectangles to watch more videos and click this circle to subscribe.
I'm not a circle.
Bye.